Good morning, ninth class. Today we are dealing with chapter number 10 and name of the chapter is gravitation. In this chapter, total number of topics are 7. 10.1, 10.2 we have already completed. Today we are going to complete 10.3 mass and 10.4 weight also. Right? So here is our topic 10.3 mass and topic 10.4 weight. So in this topic mass and weight, we are going to deal a comparison between mass and weight, and then weight of an object on moon, and then related numerical and home assignment number 3. Clear? So this is our first subtopic, second subtopic, third subtopic, and at the last we have home assignment number 3. Right? That one is fourth subtopic. Now next we have here subtopic number 1, comparison. So comparison between mass and weight. At the same time, we will also deal with mass definition and weight definition, right? In comparative form, we are dealing with definition. We are also dealing with the terms and then their unit also. So here mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Okay, just here. Quantity. That means in number, right? Whether it is 1, 2, 3. The quantity of matter. Matter आप पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं in your first chapter. Right? Means every matter is made up of particles. So quantity means the number of particles. Mass means the number of particles contained in a body. Right? And here weight means weight is the force with which a body is attracted towards the center of earth. So here suppose this one is earth. Right? And if an object is present here. So the force by which the earth is attracting the body towards its center. Right? The force by which this object is attracted towards the center, this is known as weight. Weight is the force of attraction of earth on any object, right? So here we have weight. Weight is force. Understood? So if weight is force, that means force is a vector quantity. So this one is also a vector quantity. Force unit is Newton. So weight unit is also Newton. And symbol is N. Right? Then here, about scalar quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude, no direction. In case of vector quantity, it has magnitude as well as direction. And here mass unit is kilogram. Right? In symbolic form, it is written as small k, small g. Then about number 4th difference between them is mass of a body remains same at all places. Right? So here, suppose this one is earth. Right? Oh, sorry. So here like earth. This one is equator, this one is center, equator, and these are the poles. So whether you are present at this point or this point, mass at this and mass at this means at pole is equal to mass at equator. Mass is same, right? Whether you are present on earth, whether you are present on moon, mass is same. So here mass of a body remains the same at all places, but weight of a body changes from place to place. आपने इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में देखा होगा. Here weight is different at equator and weight is different at pole. The readings were not same. Why? Because weight is nothing but force, and force is mg, right? So weight depends on g, acceleration due to gravity, and acceleration depends on gm upon here what is this? R, right? R square. So it depends on radius. Understood? So here weight of a body changes from place to place, but mass is fixed. So this is the comparison of mass and weight, our first subtopic. Subtopic number 2, it is weight of an object on moon. So this we are dealing with reference to earth. So here we have moon, right? Moon, and this one is earth. So here an object, same object is present on moon and earth. So this object mass is m, small m, small m. Mass of moon is capital M with small m. M stands for moon, mass of moon. And this one is mass of earth, mass of earth, mass of moon. And the same object is present here, m, m. And here center of moon, center of earth. So this one is radius of earth, this is radius of moon. Understood? So here according to universal law of gravitation, force is equal to g capital M small m upon d square, right? So weight is same as force. So here weight of an object on moon. So this m stands for moon, weight of object on moon. बाकी सब चीज़ें सेम है, आपको दिख रही होंगी, GMM R, राइट, आर स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे हम मून, मून एंड हियर मून, राइट. जी हमेशा कांस्टेंट होता है, तो इसके पास आप M या E नहीं लगाएंगे, राइट. एंड दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इज सेम. Okay, the same object is present on moon, same object is present on earth. So here small m, small m. और जब आप earth के reference में लिखेंगे then it is WE, ME and RE. Understood? So here first by second, if when you divide this by this, then this upon this, right? G cancel, small m cancel, solve this equation, MM upon R square M, R square E, ME, right? So solve this. This one is the mass of moon, this is the radius of moon, this one is the radius of earth, and this one is mass of earth. Solve everything, you will get the ratio of WM upon WA is 1/6. WM is equal to WE upon 6. इसको आप इधर ट्रांसफर करेंगे then it is WE upon 6, right? So WE upon 6. Now here about this concept, if your weight on earth is 40, weight on earth is suppose 48 Newton, then weight on moon is, कैसे निकालेंगे आप, 48 divided by 6, how much you will get, 6 8 ja 48, right? So this much Newton. Understood? So this is the ratio, that means earth weight divided by weight of object on earth divided by 6. So this is our second subtopic. Now moving ahead, subtopic number 3 is related numerical. So here mass of an object is 10 kg. What is its mass on earth? So mass here, mass of object is represented by small m, 10 kg. Understood? The next is what is its weight on earth? So weight on earth is mg. Okay, weight का formula क्या होता है? Force is mg, right? So here mass is 10 and G is 9.8. Solve this, you will get value 98 Newton. Understood? And is the system following MKS? Right? Meter, kilogram, second. So it is already present in kilogram. So no need to change into kilogram, right? So this is our numerical. Next we have subtopic number 4, home assignment number 3. These two questions are present on page number 128, chapter number 10. And science textbook chapter 10, page number 144, question number 12. You have to do in your science copies and submit on Google Classroom. Thank you.